save from the back row. Here comes Galanza once again. What a dig from Arado. Galanza can close it out. Not just yet, says Arado. A little 1-2 play. 1-2 play. Pancake save, Arado. Oh! Gumabaw again. This time goes down the line. Kat Arado is right there. Jelly Tempiatura. Oh, a smart play. Second point for Kat Arado. Along with 26 digs and 12 receptions. She's done everything today.
By PLDT. Molde one more time. Kat Arado. Still a spoiler there.
Wow. Serve to Morente. Arado trying to keep it alive. Look at the sacrifice used because of her. 1-2 play. Kat Arado again in the middle of the defense. The fans are applauding her effort.
For the high-speed hitters, Paat. Arado to the rescue again. Arado.
Molde goes up. Arado was there.
Cobb goes to Maraguinot.
Look at Kat Arado.
Cheng again.
Oh,
What a save by Kat Arado.
Been outside.
Oh,
What a dive there by Arado.
Soltones backs up for it. What a dive by Kat Arado. Here comes Mendres again through the double. Number 6 of PLDT.
Great floor defense by Arado. And they know you're getting a bit out of focus as Kat Arado defends that power hit.
But a better receive there by Shen Cruz.
Ooh!
What a dig from. But a better receive there by Shen Cruz.
Ooh!
What a dig from. Single-handed set for the Guzman. Domingo can't saw it with a 1-2 play. Arado from the save outside. The rally continues. Cheng 1-2 play. Arado diving for it. Soltones.
Ooh!
Molde. Wow, look at Kat Arado just spoiling that one.
Ball, Kim Fajardo to Abby. And Kat Arado just relentless.
Mayan Mendres rejected, save by Arado. Mendres will their players. Back set. Paizo Puntillas, pancake save. Arado. Here comes Mendres. Single-handed set for the Guzman.
Permentilla picked up by Arado.
Covered well by Denden Lazaro. What a rally we are having.